Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in John 16 verse 20. Verily, verily, I say unto you, that ye shall weep and lament, but the world shall rejoice. And you shall be sorrowful, but your sorrow shall be turned into joy. So that is the message of the Lord for you today. That for now you keep on weeping because of your trials, because of your pains, because of your injuries, and because of your past wounds. But God will cure you. God will heal you. God will restore you. God will recover you. God will love you again. God will comfort you. God is listening to you. And God is preparing an answer to your prayers. You will be joyful soon. You will not always be sorrowful. Suffer it for now that you are sorrowful. Just be patient because God is working in your life. Just be patient because your life is on the process. Just be patient and just be careful of your life. God wants you to stand firm. God wants you to look above. God wants you to have a full surrender to Him. God doesn't want you to have a lack of faith. God wants you to fight faithfully. God wants you to keep on standing. Don't lay down. Don't sit down. Stand and fight. Strengthen your weak hearts. Strengthen your weak faith. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.